Well, good evening. I hope everyone's staying safe out there. 7 o'clock now. Weather impact alert. This goes all the way through. If we could switch to the other, the Max 3 there. We're talking about this going all the way through Monday morning. Thank you for the cold. Boy, it's going to be cold tonight. And, you know, we're still looking at some chance for snow. Now, the heaviest snow, still potential for snow, is in the northeast part of the state and even the northeast Midlands. I'll show you what we're expecting for additional snow totals here in a minute. But these temperatures, these are current right now, anywhere from 19 to 23 degrees and dropping as we go into the night. We're going to drop about another 10 degrees with temperatures. Winds, though, going to kick up. That'll blow some snow probably over roads again. You know, roads are going to freeze tonight. That's going to be a big problem as far as icy, slick roads tonight. You can see the current radar there. Moderate snow going through the southern tip of the state, and most of the snow right now, at least the moderate snow, is concentrated in anywhere from, I guess, Charlotte all the way down the northeast part of South Carolina, even over to the coast there around Myrtle Beach. So you can see where the moderate bands are. And I'd say the most moderate to heavy snow is down there in the southern tip. So they got a little break earlier today. For those that don't like the snow, they had some rain to start off, a little bit warmer air. But they're making up for that there. So you can still see moisture wrapping around this low off the coast there. So we can't rule out more of it coming into play as well. So although the western part of the state, extreme western part of the state might be done pretty much with the snow, there's probably some more heading away. You can see some more snow showers just to the west in the western part of the Midlands, going to come into Columbia over the next couple of hours. So we're not done with the snow by any stretch. It looks like it'll go into the overnight hours for parts of the eastern or northeastern parts of the state and then shut off in the wee hours of tomorrow morning. Winter storm warning is still in place. That goes till 10 a.m. tomorrow. So does the extreme cold warning. And it's going to be colder with temperatures, colder Monday morning. But we're looking at the winds being lighter. So as you can see, the western counties not looking at much more, but still maybe some moisture. I'm waiting for the next run to kick in, but this is probably pretty reflective of what's going on. As we get into midnight, you really start to see the snow machine shut off across the Midlands. And, you know, by 2 or 3 o'clock, it's probably out of here. Maybe eastern parts of the state, a few more snow showers into, you know, 5, 6 o'clock. But 6 o'clock, it looks like almost the whole state is done with the snow. Then we have that northwest breeze. It's a very cold breeze, close to zero in a lot of areas for wind chill temperatures. And this is our updated map. Because of that moderate band down there, they can see another inch. And, you know, possibly see 1 to 2 in the light blue areas. In the dark blue areas, a couple inches are still possible. And the most that we see would probably be right up there to the northeast part of the state. This is a good map that shows, the Weather Service puts this out, and it shows the chance for 2 inches or more of snow. And the best chance for that is obviously the eastern part of the state, but it really drops off as you go through Columbia over into the western part of the Midlands. So really, that goes to 1%, by the way, and no percent there for the rest of the area. So major road impacts are expected, especially tonight. Tonight might be worse than some areas that were even snow covered earlier because it's ice. It's hard to see. It's a lot more slick than the snow, and the slush and all that, especially over bridges and overpasses, is going to freeze. It's freezing right now. I mean, 20 degrees, that's pretty cold stuff. And the red is the major impact. So the orange, you still got some icy conditions out there possible. Tonight, we're talking about the snow coming to an end at some point, you know, from west to east, just like it came in. And some areas could pick up a couple more inches of snow. 13 degrees, but wind chill temperature, it could be as low as 5 below to about 5 degrees. That is very dangerously cold weather. You want to make sure you are bundling up, protecting yourself. Watch out for your kids. Watch out for the elderly, especially. Check on them if they don't live with you already. Check with them. Make sure that they have heat, first of all. And go to a warming center if you don't have power or anything like that, if you don't have the heat. And we're looking at 36. Hopefully we get to 36 tomorrow. You can see the wind chill temperatures tomorrow morning are very cold, bitterly cold, dangerously cold stuff. Even lower, I think, for Columbia than 8 degrees it's showing there. But as we go into tomorrow night, there still might be some slick spots, especially on those secondary roads that aren't treated as nearly often. The interstates, hopefully by tomorrow night, have dried out for the most part. But those secondary roads that don't get as much treatment are probably looking pretty rough, even tomorrow night into Monday morning. We really warm up. Hopefully Tuesday we get into the low to mid 50s. But the weather impact alert goes through Monday morning because of the cold. So the cold is taking hold right now and looks like it's going to be with us all the way through Monday morning. Only 40 for a high Monday, but hopefully we get in the 50s Tuesday and Wednesday and stay at least in the 40s for the rest of the week. Next chance for showers doesn't come until later in the week, and that looks to be rain shower activity. Next weekend, how about 56? That would be terrific. Stay with us. We'll keep you in the updates here every half hour, and we'll see you here in about 25 minutes. Be safe out there.